In this video, we are continuing on with our extension mudroom, and we are gonna build a porch. So we're gonna go all classic and build a nice porch because I really want one. I want to come out in the fresh air and have a roof over me and be able to look around and have a rocking chair and have it all classical. But it's gonna be a very small porch, of course. Since the building itself here, this extension is quite small, we're gonna come out 1.70 m. And yeah, in this video, we are gonna get the frame on, and hopefully in the next one, we are gonna get the decking and have a nice deck as well. So let's not waste much time because it is quite of a cold day. As you see the snow on the ground, it's a big snowstorm. We're gonna get these concretes removed, this ugly, as people said, this is the next eyesore after the look of the bricks. So this one's gonna go away, all these pads that are in our way. There's another one hidden here. We're gonna dig those out, and we're gonna get the poles in with a nice level and hopefully have a nice leveled porch. Let's get started. The most easiest is this one. Oh, there's snakes, mini snakes, you see? Mini snakes.
That is a worm.
Yeah, mini snakes. Well, it's a mini snake, that's why I said mini. It's running away right where I'm about to pull it out. It is quite frozen. My shovel is bending. Oh, these are not light. These are not light. Here you could also make steps out of those, but I think wood steps will look better. Maybe I get my work boots on, because this one's stabbing my legs. Yes, baby. How much is moving? It's moving way more than it actually is. Easy to do landscaping now in this frozen time. It takes off like a perfect layer. Ready? Yep. Put two. I don't think we need to. Will you do it?
I guess. This one?
Yeah. You are ready?
I was born ready.
Okay. Fall in. Oh, it was also a acorn, no, but chestnut bothering you.
Fun story, I once fell down, slipped this one, when wanted to bring Christmas cookies to the neighbors. So I just slipped and all the cookies went flying.
Nice.
You
So they had dirty cookies.
No, we brought the new cookies. The chickens ate them. But that hurt my bum.
Yeah. I just dump it there.
Oh, look how perfect I put it.
I think that's as good as I can get it for now. With this super frozen ground, it's not that bad, huh?
Yeah, pretty good.
So the ground is now all cleaned up. It's not actually getting unfrozen now with the sun coming in. And now we're gonna put in the poles that are gonna actually hold the whole terrace. I think to go 12 exactly, so let's try to do that. We're gonna get the first row, so that's gonna set us up, and then we're gonna figure out how many we need. If we do 4 in this row, and then another 3, and then another 4, and another 4, that's 3 times 4, so that's 12 sticks. I think that's gonna hold a lot more than it does. I think the chicken house is on 12 in total. So yeah, but we're just making sure so we don't sink so much. In the chicken one, we really get those deep in, so those were really deep in the ground, and this one's might not go so deep. So let's measure out and see how much we need. So if we do 50, then it's gonna be fully flush with the board. We could go 45 probably, right?
I guess.
45 plus 30, it's like 75 in total. So here's one. This one is not my favorite. This one looks good. This one looks good. I don't even see it here in the shadow, honestly. Oh my god, really pale. Yeah. So that's not gonna work in the daytime.
In this beautiful sunshiny day.
Yeah, kinda.
As well, because we gotta work like.
So I guess we gotta use the string method and just a level. So no lasers to help us.
It's okay. We're building straight enough without it. So.
Yeah. And terrace needs to be a bit sideways to water to leak off. So.
Okay.
How far do we want to go?
I don't know.
The more we go, the more expensive it gets.
Like how expensive? Well, not that far.
I think I originally wanted it to be 170.
But
we could go 2 meters.
we could go to meet. Okay.
Millie's helping.
Woo!
Perfectly, the wood is on top. Not too sideways either. Has a wiggle woggle, but it's not that bad. Definitely. Let's cut it in the middle first. Turn it around. Whoop. Okay, 2 190s. So that is roughly the layout. We actually decided to go a bit smaller because we calculated there the roof tiles, 2 roof tiles we have left over. So we calculated that 2 roof tiles will add up to 210. So we decided if 2 meters, then it's only 10 centimeters roof overlapping over the terrace, making it kind of water splashing in pretty badly. So to protect it more, we decided to go 20 centimeters less. So we are going 180. So I think that's gonna be much better and adds up being perfectly fine. I mean, it saves us probably like €5 of terrace material, so that's also good.
I mean, we could also add an extra third tile, but then it goes way too much.
Yeah, then we're building like a porch bigger than the house almost. So this is already quite large for a porch realistically where you don't really need. It's not like we have to sit on our porch, we don't have a yard. That's all ours, so we're okay. But I do like a porch because I can come out and just look at the weather and not worry to get wet. So let's assemble this, and then we're going to use this as a guide because this is hopefully going to be square, hopefully, and we're going to use it as a guide to put these poles in their places. So yeah, then we don't need to we still need to laser it and level it, but that makes it so much more easier. So let's get started. See my idea? See where I'm going with this?
No. I'm confused. Where are we going with this? I'm still holding it, by the way.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, good.
So my plan is to put the 4 poles, screw it on, and hammer the poles down until we get the perfect level. So
How do we hammer them down?
slowly, like wiggly. You know, because like you do all the poles separately, so it goes like this. Okay?
Okay, sure.
I wanted to actually lift the front, but this is good what you're doing. the height will go lower because I'll go like down, well, you know, all of it equally.
Sorry, I missed that part.
Like this. You saw it now? It's like going lower, 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 lower. Wait, let me see how much it jiggles. Oh, it does jiggle.
Jiggle, jiggle. Beautiful.
Choosing the best ones. Nope, that's not the best. This is the best. Much bigger. Can you come on this side and check? Do you have to hold it?
Yeah. Of course I have to. If I don't hold it, it's gonna bend that screw.
True. So.
Think with your heady.
Then lift it up a bit higher than it needs to be. So we can just screw it on and we can hammer it after.
Like this is like the tippy of the bubble hour.
How is it already so perfect?
We're perfect.
Okay, a bit lower, go.
This is almost perfect.
Okay, can you check this wood here? So I can hammer this lower, because this doesn't look...
That's perfect.
So our house is not perfect or something?
That is literally perfect. But it's all perfect.
Yeah, but we need to go
Yeah,
lower.
I guess the hammer once, hammer
all of
once.
it we need to go higher, like... Yeah, that's how all of them go.
Okay, no, but you gotta go like down, 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 down.
Yeah.
And it's, oh no, it's recording. Wait, but this side? This side needs to go lower.
Okay, let's go all of it lower.
Currently the water will be flowing in the house.
Okay, I'll go get wood that will indicate our floor.
Okay, just start hammering, I guess. Okay, then come to that side, like do 2 and 2 or something.
Just go for the level.
That's perfect.
Okay.
That's perfect.
Can you check the other way? Okay, that's a tiny bit off level. And
Okay,
this, I
but
think,
like
was
off
already...
level downwards.
Yeah, this is already. No, this.
It needs to go a bit more then.
Oh no, this needs to go a bit more. Yeah, it's also a bit leaning that way.
Like we rather have like a tiny, like the bubble still in the middle, but like a tiny bitty that way. Yeah, so we have it
Very
like
small amount,
yeah.
but each board will be leaning, so it means that each board can leak the water off as well.
Yeah, as you can see, like we're still in the middle, but like not perfect, so you can still kind of.
I think that's still considered okay, as long as it's in the lines. That's actually the universal of law. It's good enough.
And I like that we also go like nicely deep as well.
Yeah, quite a bit.
Quite a bit in, so that.
I think overall it's gonna hold like no problem for
Yeah.
maybe like 10 years or something.
I mean,
They are impregnated, so hopefully they last. But we have seen goat ones break after like 3-4 years. So, but
chicken
here they are
houses-
under cover. The goat ones are open in a field where there's consistent moistures on them. So maybe this ones will last longer just because they are on their roof. So.
Yeah, and the ones that broke at the goat enclosure is also the ones that were sitting in the water a lot, like in the water puddles.
And they had, of course, pressure of the sticks pulling them.
Yeah.
They're not sticks, the strings. So that also you got take in count.
But the chicken house is holding like no problem, so. And it's also not that it's gonna have consistent weight on it. It's only like when we go out or when we bring things in or something like.
Yeah.
It's not gonna have a building on it.
It will have a roof on it. After.
I guess.
But that's not enough weight to really bother.
Again, I'm lost. Do I have one extra?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I'm stupid. Because I saw only the 3 wood. No, I don't know how I thought of it.
So it's 180. So we need 90.
Yeah.
You mark the rest? So, as you see, the frame is done. We have put all the 12 poles. It's probably a bit overkill, but I'd rather make it sure that it sits straight, and this will prevent it from sagging down and sinking in. I don't think it will, because they went in really hard, and the ground is pretty soft right now. It's early spring, so it's pretty muddy, and they went in with force. So that means that it's quite stable, and in summer it gets rock hard, and the winter it gets frozen. So this is the most loosest period, and autumn as well, so I think it's going to be perfectly fine. So yeah, let's put some planks. I want to go test it and see how it feels to walk on it, how solid it feels, and yeah, that's going to be kind of it. The day is over, and we need to go pick up the wood for the terrace, so it's going to be nice. I'm also clearing these up because I'm kind of sitting here pointlessly. Who was that? Who punched me? I don't think Millie can jump up that, by the way. Actually, no, she easily can jump up that if she tried. If we had more of this wood, honestly, it could be a deck. Like this wood. But the wood wood we're getting is fatter than this. This is a 3.5 only. So,
Nice.
It'll be more stable. Because I've not felt this, like, door being same level as me.
But is it a bit too tall still? The whole porch?
What do you mean too tall?
I don't know.
You want to look over the world to be taller. You want to feel proud and big.
I guess.
Everywhere that I can see, I don't own. You know what I mean?
Oh! It's a bit tall. Like, if it's tall for me.
Uh-huh. What do you mean tall?
I don't know. It
That's
feels,
the door.
I don't know. It feels weird.
It feels weird because you're used to stepping down, but you don't,
Yeah,
right?
because usually I'm like at this level of the door.
Yeah,
so it
that's what I
always-
mean. The key is always like in the air, and now it's your like perfect height, right?
I guess, yeah, because the block was like lower, so it was like always like on my eye level, the key.
It just feels weird because we're not used to it. I think
I
that's
guess
all.
because it was like so much lower, and now it feels like I'm about to hit my head, but I don't know, it feels weird.
But looks good. Not with those planks, of course.
No, but it feels
And
really
the
nice
poles
and stable.
sticking out. I think it needs a lot more work, of course, for it to look good, but it's a good foundation.
Yeah, man, it's a good
I
frame.
think. Jump, Baba, jump. Is it sinking? Sounds like a porch.
Sounds pretty good. It feels weird,
Yeah. You used to being like
almost.
almost like a kid in front of a big door. So as you can see, we are done for today. It looks absolutely great. I love it, how it looks already. I love the height. The roof is a bit on your head, but don't worry, the roof of course is gonna go much higher after. This is only temporary roof, and that's gonna leave as well. It's gonna also increase the look of this building because this roof is currently probably gonna be the worst part of it. After, of course, also the stairs looks a bit nicer. The roof is gonna be the next thing that's gonna have to be done. But I think we have kind of a good foundation here. Feels really solid. These woods, of course, feel a bit like a bit moving because they are, of course, only on one screw in the middle. But when you step on the frame feels absolutely solid, like almost like a concrete foundation. But of course, it's wood, so it feels pretty good. We'll see if we need to add some maybe bracing in between. But currently, as it feels like the middle, the wood is not flexing at all, and it's actually going to be a much more thicker wood than this. We're getting the really extra fat terrace wood, so that's going to be more. There's a skinnier version that's same fatness as this, but we're getting a lot fatter, like 1 centimeter more. So that's going to hold on really well, and I can't wait to see how that's going to look. We got to choose also a color because there's many colors, of course. But hope you enjoyed this video, and we're going to see you in the next one. Next up, we're going to probably cover it up. That's kind of the next goal, and also add stairs because we need a way to walk down, of course, as well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Can see you next time. I love it. Let us know in the comments what do you think. But I feel like it looks good. I don't think we went too big either. So
I like it.